Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, everyone. Oh, okay. People are here to join us. People are here to join us. People are here to join us. Okay. All right. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to day three of our tech series. I am Mr. Sam, and I will be your moderator for today's discussion on one of the most thought-provoking topics in modern software engineering. When automation takes over, is DevOps the last human frontier? That is the topic we'll be looking into today. As we all know, in today's world, pipeline build and deploy themselves. Infrastructure is written as code, and scaling happens without human touch. So the big question is, if machines are doing almost everything, what's left for us? We, the humans in DevOps. What's left for us in DevOps? So today we'll be exploring this frontier and not just what automation replaces, but what it enables, how it reshapes our roles, and where creativity, strategy, and human intuition still matter most. So I want you to think about it. Like CI/CD pipeline can now detect, can build, can test, and deploy code automatically. Monitoring tools can predict failures before they happen. And with infrastructure as code, environments can be spun up or turned down in seconds. Like imagine all of these things that is being done like that, that's been automated. Like automation is taking over really. So this session asks us to think deeper. Is DevOps evolving into a world where automation is the engineer, or does it simply free humans to focus on higher value problems like security, reliability, and innovation? So let's keep this question in mind. Joining us today to unpack these questions is today serverless developer with over 3 years of experience building scalable backend systems and cloud native applications on AWS. He currently works as a Java developer, designing and deploying production grade solutions using serverless technologies, event driven architectures, and modern DevOps practices. Sharif Dean is passionate about automation, developer experience, and cloud efficiency, themes that define his work in building systems where reliability meets innovation. He also contributed to community learning through technical talks, mentoring, and articles that simplify complex cloud concepts for developers. An AWS community builder and active advocate for serverless technology in Africa. Sheriff Dean continues to explore how automation and human creativity intersect in modern software delivery. Please join me in welcoming Sheriff Dean to take us into this exciting discussion. Sheriff Dean, welcome on stage. Good evening. Can you hear me? Hello.
Hi, good evening, Sam.
Okay. Good evening. Good
Can you
evening,
hear me?
Sheriff Dean. Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. I can hear you. Can you hear me too?
Yeah, I can hear you loud and clear.
Okay. Yeah. We're happy to have you here, and I'll be leaving the stage for you now.
All right, thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much. I want to thank the organizers, Authorities, for hosting this session. Can you please share my screen, share my slides? All right. Thank you all. So the question of the day is when automation takes over, is DevOps the last human frontier? Many of us here have heard of development and operations, DevOps, and we also have an idea of what automation is. Automation could be AI under the hood and can also mean our script doing a job. All right, but before we go into the topic for the day, I wanna let's dive into the agenda for the day. First, let me just a brief about me. I think Sam has done justice to that, and let's just head over to the agenda for the day. All right, Sam, please confirm if you can still hear me, so that I don't move forward.
Oh, yes, I can hear you. I can hear you.
All right, thank you. All right, so let me quickly walk through what we will be discussing today. We will start with the evolution of DevOps. We're gonna take a quick look at how far we've come from manual development to the highly automated systems we use today. Then we will move to the big question: when automation takes over, what's really left for humans in DevOps? Next, we will talk about what automation handles today, exploring the areas and machines already manage almost entirely from CI/CD to monitoring and scaling. And after that, we will shift to what is left for humans, where we will focus on the aspect of DevOps that still depends on human creativity, judgment, and problem solving. From there, we will explore the rise of AI operations and how artificial intelligence is reshaping automations, helping us predict, prevent, and even fix issues automatically. And finally, we will wrap up with the future of DevOps professionals, looking at how our roles are evolving from executing tasks to orchestrating intelligent systems. By the end of the session, I hope you will have a clearer picture of where automation is taking us and where we as engineers can stay relevant and valuable in this era. So let's begin by understanding the journey that brought us here, how DevOps evolved into highly automated um, ecosystem we see today. So from the illustration here, we can see that DevOps has evolved to this AI era where most of the works are automated. The evolution of DevOps represents gradual replacement of repetitive manual processes with automations and collaborations. Initially, when we build applications, we build applications and the operation teams set up the infrastructure, deployed and maintain these applications separately. The this created actually is actually created bottlenecks, long release cycles, and communication gaps. So DevOps emerged to bridge this gap, the gap of long release and communication gaps and the bottlenecks the manual processes introduced. So it's bridge the gap, combining people, processes, and tools to deliver software faster and more reliably. Over time, automation began with testing and deploying code seamlessly through pipelines like AWS code pipeline, GitHub Actions, Jenkins, and other tools like that. Tools such as AWS CloudFormation, Terraform, Serverless Framework, AWS SAM, Pulumi, and the likes allowed teams to define infrastructure declaratively, ensuring consistency and reducing manual configuration. And when we speak of observability, tools also evolved to detect anomalies automatically and even trigger recovery actions, making system even more resilient. This evolution shifted DevOps from task execution to process automation. So we don't do the deployment manually anymore. What we do is we manage the automations. So with so much automation, what's left for human to do? That's where the real big question is. So the question is, the central question here challenges our assumptions. If automation handles integrations, deployment, monitoring, and scaling, what is the human role in DevOps? The essence is that automation isn't eliminating DevOps engineers. It's transforming their responsibilities from repetitive work to designing intelligent, sustaining systems, so that and we humans are moving from operators to orchestrators. So, but let's break down what automation currently does exceptionally well and where it still, falls short. That brings me to the next slide, where we what automation handles today. Automation now dominates nearly every phase of the DevOps lifecycle, from build and test automations, deployment automation, AI-driven insights, scalability and recovery. Pipelines automatically compile, pipelines like Jenkins and REST automatically, compile, test, and verify code changes. This ensures reliability and reduce human error. Continuous delivery (CI/CD) pushes code to production automatically once tests pass, minimizing release friction. Cloud providers like AWS handle auto scaling, load balancing, and fault tolerance, ensuring uptime with no human intervention. And also, machine learning tools detect anomalies, optimize cost, and even recommend performance improvements. The result from all this is greater efficiency, but it still raises a question: if systems can manage themselves, do we still need human in the loop? If the systems can build the test, if pipelines can build tests automatically, CI/CD pushes code to production, AWS managing load balancing and auto scaling, and also machine learning tools, detecting anomalies and whatnot. Do we still need humans in the loop? So what it is that even in a fully automated world, there are still machines, there are still things machines can't replace. So let's look at where humans still matter. Automations can execute instructions, yes, but humans define what those instructions should be. DevOps professionals now focus on system design and architecture, interpretation and analysis, um, continuous improvement, governance, security and ethics, incident response and creativity, making high-level architectural decisions about scalability, cost efficiency, and maintainability. All this, we can't leave it to machines. In fact, machines cannot do it. Machines cannot, we cannot automate our system designs and architecture. This is where DevOps professional now focus on, instead of doing the manual CI/CD, manual process of deploying and whatnot. Setting rules for responsible automation. Like I said before, that DevOps now manages automations just like it. We set rules for responsible automation, ensuring compliance, privacy, and fairness. Automation detects problems, but humans interpret their impact and decide what to fix. Engineers refine processes, optimize pipelines, and update automations as system evolves. But when things break in unexpected ways, human innovates. We adapt this automation to new challenges. So human remains the creative force behind these systems that automation executes. As AI enters the scene, we are seeing another transformation. Just like we have AI ops and whatnot. So AI is entering the scene now. So we are seeing another transformation, one that blends human intelligence and with AI with artificial intelligence. So that's why we see the rise of AI ops, artificial intelligence for IT operations. These represent the next evolution of DevOps. It uses machine learning to enhance automations and system reliability. An example for this includes predictive analysis, automated incident resolution, chat ops with AI copilots, AI powered code analysis, code optimization, and the rest. AI models detect patterns that predict system failures before they occur. Tools like AWS DevOps or Datadog, AWS DevOps Guru, sorry, or Datadog can resolve known issues automatically. AI tools suggest better coding or configuration practices for performance insights. Integrations with conversational interface like Slack bots or AI assistants allows engineers to query systems and trigger actions using natural language, like using normal language, like you speak to it and it gives you, response. AI doesn't replace engineers; it acts as a co-pilot, amplifying human, decision making. So if AI and automations are here to stay, what does that mean for the next generation of DevOps engineer? That brings me to the next slide. The future of DevOps professionals. Just like I've said before, AI does not replace engineers. It acts as a co-pilot. But what is the future of this DevOps? What is the future of DevOps? Here in this slide, we're going to talk about it. The DevOps rule of the future isn't managing isn't about managing servers or pipelines. It's about designing ecosystem that manage themselves, that manage themselves. Future engineers will build platforms, not pipeline. Enhance developer experience, DevX, collaborate with AI, own governance and compliance. So by building platform, we create reusable, scalable internal platforms that developers can easily deploy on. We enhance developer experience. We make automation accessible, intuitive, and efficient for teams. We collaborate with AI tools. We use AI tools to predict, plan, and improve operational efficiency, and also define responsible automation standards to ensure trust and transparency. The key is to adapt. The key is to adapt, staying creative, strategic, and human in an increasingly automated world. We will conclude with the key takeaways that captures what DevOps will look like in the years ahead. Before I got into this session, I saw statistics of the rise of DevOps roles from the past few years, and it's an increasing one. It doesn't decrease. If AI comes to take our jobs, we should see a downtrend in the you know in the what is the English now? So when we seek in the want for these roles, yeah. So one of the key takeaways we'll look at is that automation elevates humans. Like I've said before, it acts like co-pilot. It does not replace us. DevOps is moving from execution to orchestration. Creativity, ethics, and strategy remain human frontiers. And the future is collaboration between humans and intelligent systems. That will bring me to the last slide. Okay, that's the last slide actually. So if you have any concerns or complaints or you want to contact me, this is my LinkedIn and my contact info here on the screen. And yeah, thank you for listening. We can open the ground for questions you know, or collaborations. Sam, can you hear me?
Oh, yes, yes, yes. I can hear you now. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much
Have I been
for
muted this
uh,
morning?
what is it?
Have I been muted? Have I been muted?
No, 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 no. I can still hear you. I can still hear you.
Okay, okay, nice, nice.
Yeah, I can still hear you.
Yeah, I think you can open the ground for questions and collaborations if there's any.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you so much, Dean. Like it was an insightful session, and you've, to me, you really challenged how we see automation and human contribution in DevOps. So, okay, now it's time for questions, and our viewers, our audience. If you have something to ask, feel free to drop it in the chat. Please, let's do that now. You can start rolling in your questions. Do we have any? Do we have any? Do we have any? Okay, I think. Please, you can start rolling in your questions. Okay, are you still with me? Um, okay, are you still with me, Sheriff Dean?
Yes, I'm with you. Yeah, definitely, I'm here.
Okay, yeah, okay, I mean, like, to maybe some of our audience are trying to like put their questions together or something like that. So I just have like this, I have like this small question I want to like ask. I mean, to like bring some things up. So, do you really think that the rise of AI driven automation could eventually redefine DevOps as no ops? I mean, no operation, or is it that? I mean, like that's the question. Do you think AI driven automation could like eventually redefine DevOps as no ops?
There's a lot of things at that pipeline of DevOps, and the DevOps pipeline.
Okay.
Sorry, sorry. So at the DevOps pipeline, there's actually a lot of things there where you have when you build, you build, you test, you deploy your code, and you write your code and whatnot. You release and whatnot. So that's DevOps pipeline. Do you expect? The question is, do you expect AI to to do everything for you, from writing your code to deploying your code to testing your code? Yes, AI can test. AI can test, but you don't want to tell it what to test, and
Yeah.
it can also
Yeah.
code. You don't want to tell it what to code. So it sounds like a co-pilot, like I've said before. It sounds like a co-pilot. It does not replace. It does
Yeah.
not actually replace. It serves just for you to move faster for efficiency. Yeah, for development efficiency. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. So we know that um DevOps AI automation is just going to be like a co-pilot for DevOps engineer, and it's not necessarily going to like make DevOps no ops. It's just going to like enhance the operations. Yeah, that's really cool. That's really cool. And
Yeah.
I love how you brought out how automation is not just about efficiency but evolution. And the whole session was just so good. You wanted to say something?
Yeah, I wanted to chip in something. I said back in the day,
Okay.
I wanted to say back in the day when I used to where I worked. So we used to do our normal. Then what was Spring Boot we do. So we do our normal after writing our code. We do normal Docker compose. We compose our Docker, then push to this thing. We go on the server, build our application, our Spring Boot application, and deploy. That is just how it was, the pain and the time it takes to do our stuff manually then. So but now with GitHub Actions, what we just do is after writing the code and everything, your tests are passing, maybe you've done TDD, and all your tests are passing. You've made sure that okay, there's no made sure that your code are working as expected, and they are testing your pipeline. So you just push to your GitHub Actions, and everything is deployed. You don't need to even worry about you don't need to worry about going about and stuff. So that's just it. It does not actually replace us. It actually just serves as a co-pilot to help us improve how we write code and how fast we deploy how fast we deploy releases.
Okay, thank you so much, Sheriff Dean. And we are gradually coming to a close of this particular session. But before we go further, I would like to like share a video with us. Um, okay, give me a sec, please.
Every business deserves to be seen and to thrive. At Arthurite Integrated, we believe that every entrepreneur has the potential to break through barriers and reach new heights. Imagine your business, fully visible and engaging with customers like never before. If you're ready to take the leap into the cloud but feel overwhelmed by the thought of not having a website, let us take that weight off your shoulders. Our first step? Building a stunning website for you, completely free. That's right. We want to ensure you have a strong online presence from day one. Visibility is the lifeblood of any business. Without it, even the best products can go unnoticed. That's why we're excited to introduce the Arthurite Business Visibility Drive. This initiative is designed to empower small businesses by enhancing their online presence and connecting them with their target audience. With our expert team, we'll guide you through every step of the process, from crafting a compelling website that reflects your brand's identity to optimizing it for search engines. We're here to ensure your business shines. But it doesn't stop there. We offer ongoing support, helping you navigate the digital landscape with confidence. Whether it's social media strategies, online marketing, or customer engagement, we're committed to your success. Join us on this journey. Let's transform your vision into reality and make your business a beacon in the digital world. Together, we can unlock your potential and drive your business forward. Your cloud journey starts here, and we can't wait to be part of it.
Right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Can you please, Sheriff, can you please confirm if you can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Okay, yeah. Thank you so much. So this final time, I just would like extend. I want to extend this. I want to extend the opportunity to our audience to ask their questions if they have any questions. Please, right now, within 10 seconds, please let your questions start rolling in. Now, please, and please, within 10 seconds. Okay. Any question? Okay. Since I think our audience today, I think they are satisfied with your presentation. I'm Sharif. It's actually a wonderful one. It's like it's an insightful session, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy about that. So happy about that. So yeah. So as we wrap up, one clear takeaway is this. I hope we are all listening. One clear takeaway is this: automation isn't replacing humans in DevOps, it's redefining what it means to be one. I mean, the more machine take over the repetitive, the more space we have to innovate, strategize, and lead transformation. So, a very big thank you to our speaker once again, and to everyone who joined today. And today is the end of our 3 days webinar series. Today is the final day, and we are so happy to have you all here with us, like since day one till this final day. I really appreciate you guys. On behalf of Ultralight Integrated, I say thank you so much for joining us. Thank you. And with that, we've come to the end of today's session and to the end of our 3 days webinar series. Thank you all. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for joining us. All right.
Every business deserves to be seen and to thrive. At Arthurite Integrated, we believe that every entrepreneur has the potential to break through barriers and reach new heights. Imagine your business, fully visible and engaging with customers like never before. If you're ready to take the leap into the cloud but feel overwhelmed by the thought of not having a website, let us take that weight off your shoulders. Our first step? Building a stunning website for you, completely free. That's right. We want to ensure you have a strong online presence from day one. Visibility is the lifeblood of any business. Without it, even the best products can go unnoticed. That's why we're excited to introduce the Arthurite Business Visibility Drive. This initiative is designed to empower small businesses by enhancing their online presence and connecting them with their target audience. With our expert team, we'll guide you through every step of the process, from crafting a compelling website that reflects your brand's identity to optimizing it for search engines. We're here to ensure your business shines. But it doesn't stop there. We offer ongoing support, helping you navigate the digital landscape with confidence. Whether it's social media strategies, online marketing, or customer engagement, we're committed to your success. Join us on this journey. Let's transform your vision into reality and make your business a beacon in the digital world. Together, we can unlock your potential and drive your business forward. Your cloud journey starts here, and we can't wait to be part of it.